What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you Come Brave Adventure. Your sense is on fire. If you talk to me, it's an old god that you desire. Now, in order to complete this clue, you need a Ring of Visibility, a Ghost Speak Amulet, and you're also going to need the Curse of Zaros Miniquest, which is basically the ghostly robes. And then you come out here and you talk to the mysterious ghost who is on the second story of the Rogue Castle in 55 Wilderness. The easiest way to get up here is use the level 50 portal, and then you just run through here and you climb up those stairs. Alright guys, I hope this video helps you. Peace.